Hi, in this video today I would like to show you how to clean up all of the Windows update file on the Windows 10. Okay, so basically after you install any update version of Windows 10 on the Windows PC, the update file will be still keeping on the PC. Okay, so in order to increase the space on the window, so you should to clean it up by delete all of the setup file. Okay, so now let's get started. Yeah, open the PC and you see here we have Windows in the C drive. Just go ahead to click on this and select property and click on disk cleanup. Yeah, so after that disk cleanup window will be appear. Okay, and you see that in the disk cleanup here, yeah, there are some the file on the disk. You select the window update cleanup. Yeah, and after that, if you delete all of the Windows setup file on this PC, you can increase around 8.5 gigabyte on the PC. And just wait until the cleanup is done. Yeah, so the cleanup has been completed. And now click on OK button and I will try to, yeah, so you see after I refresh, the space of this has been increased. Okay, and you see now, let's see. Okay, and you see here the window update cleanup has been decreased supply on this PC. Okay, so I think that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.